Very good question. Really, I like people like this. Because she is talking about the human nature. Human nature is that if you don't cultivate yourself, you fall down. That is why it is said that always you try to make yourself up. Charaivati, charaivati. Always try to go ahead. Never sleep. Even in the sleep, you should have a dream of progress. Even in the sleep, you should have the dream of progress. So, you must reach to a stage when progress will be natural, when good things will give you joy. Now, good things are not giving us joy. That is why everybody is trying to prepare you. Be good, be good, be good. After saying 1,000 times, we listen for one time. This is the nature of humanity. So, what your question is, applicable for all. But the great people, make them great because they come out of this habit. This is a habit within us. That the moment we are coming out from the beautiful atmosphere, we want to go to bad atmosphere. Suppose you are in here for 1 hour listening good things, immediately you will feel to go to film. Just opposite. Because we have no capacity to continually hold the good qualities. That is why when we worship the God, we have Visarjan also. Because we cannot tolerate them more than 7 days or like that. Again you come next year. So all the things, this has to be cultivated. Through practice, we will have the nature. When good qualities will become spontaneous in us. For bad qualities, you have to try hard. A time will come. Now, for good quality, you have to try hard. So, now there should be a motor to lift us always. Now, there is no need of motor to fall from above to down. If I am a man, if I want to become animal, there is no need for any motor. I will simply fall down. But if I am a man, if I want to have divine qualities, I have to work hard. That is called tapasya. Those who were doing tapasya, they become great. So you need to do tapasya. Tapasya means continuous striving for perfection. That is tapasya. Very nice question. Any other person having that aspiration to ask questions?
We can't disturb for films and topics. But sometimes we are coordinated. But I am very sure that we should respect everyone. Plus, we should know about some people. They are not famous, but we should know about what they have done to us. But we don't figure this. We don't figure it, we will not be here. We should respect our freedom. And plus, some students were talking about useless things. And some were dangerous. They are taking grades, taking high marks, they are doing this. But some of them will get RC. But I will take it right now. But getting high marks is not means you are a good person, you are a good behavior, you are a high behaving person. I hate very good. But everyone respect everyone. I've seen some of the hot means personally. I was studying in East I've seen that some teachers were doing personally when I was doing all the time. Not my own behavior and understand this kind of things. Yes. But I've seen this kind of personality in this school also sometimes. Rarely, but sometimes. But main thing is why we are getting pursued. Why? And plus, when I go to my own company, I've seen some means family or means saying that my son is doing that. My son is getting high marks. My son is getting this kind of job, this kind of job. But my father, I asked my father, na, for a some parents are talking about son's greatness and showing their means how this motivated us. But my father was motivated. You do your own job, don't listen any other person. Because you are not, you should be proud of what you are doing. Because who are you? Who are you? Ask me. I am just what you are doing. I am a student. You are a student, act like a student, work like a student, hard work, you get work, if you do hard work, you will learn marks. What you deserve, you should do work. Without doing work, you will not get hard work. Just see your brother, big brother, and big brother is very important for this school. And this now in Indian Navy is now submarine in Indian Ocean inside the submarine. But it's under following us in water area. I'm sorry, nice. After I said water area, he said, well, you can do workout, you make a good fit in and play some recreational sports. In sport, you can make life, not only for study, you can make life. If someone said, by study, you can make life, they are wrong. Show your respect, someone respect you, second. Someone misbehave you, don't. Is the soul.
So what is your question? Please.
Means I've seen some. I know some friends, old friends. They are senior now. They are class 12 only. When I try to talk to them, they discourage me. What? They don't know me like that. They can't think me so. This kind of means when I see some children are getting very sometimes my mother used to say, what are you doing? You're not doing study, this and that. That time I got little bit, how to say, mismotivated. That's all. And plus, especially my embarrassed. My family always say about my embarrassed. And plus, I don't have embarrassed. I'm trying to do inner peace many times. Doing meditation 5 times, 6 times. But I'm not doing this. What is your
Please. Please go to yours. Whole thing is that everybody is unique. And he has come for a particular mission which none else can replace. Everybody. To find what for he has come or she has come is the purpose of our life. If you don't find whatever you do, if you are Prime Minister, then also you will not be happy. Because you are not meant for that. That is why in our ancient system, first education was given to know who am I. When Sri Rama went to Vasishtha, door was closed. He knocked the door and asked from within. Vasishtha asked, who are you? What we had been said? I am Nirakar, so and so qualification. But Sri Rama told, I want to know from you who am I. Then Vasishtha came out and embraced him and said, right student. Right student is he who wants to know himself first. What for he has come? He has come here, divine has sent him. There is a purpose. We are not giving any time to know who we are. You see, this mic set is there. Human has created, man-made things. But there is a purpose. I am speaking, you are listening, and the purpose of this creation is meant for that. This hall is there. There is a purpose. House is there. There is a purpose we want to stay. Vehicle is there. There is a purpose. It will carry us to different places. If house will tell that I am being bored with the staying here for a long time, I want to move like vehicle from one place to another place, what will happen to that home, that house? The moment it will start, it will break. Because it is not meant for that. Similarly, if vehicle will say that I am bored from moving one place to another place, I will stay like a home. What we will do? We will take it to the garage and sell it. You are no more useful. Similarly, for the divine, we are useless. Whatever you may be, you are useless because for what he has sent, we have never tried to discover. So you were talking about meditation. If you have inner aspiration, you will definitely have the calm mind after some time. It will take 1 year or 2 years or 3 years, depending upon your sincerity. Then you will know for what for you have come. Because within there is a divine. He is eager to speak you about your mission. But nobody is trying to listen him. Creating noise outside, not to listen him. Why you are creating noise from outside? Not to listen him. So stop outside noises. Whoever says whatever it is meant for him, try to discover yourself first. And to discover there is another thing. The more you are unselfish, more you are connected to the greater force. More you are selfish, you are disconnected with the greater force. So more you are unselfish, more power will come and help you. The great persons, how they become great? Because they are unselfish, because they are unegoistic. They never think of themselves. They think of others. They think of nation. They think of creation. The more they widen their consciousness, more power will come and help them to discover who they are. So, simple meditation will not do. With meditation, you have to give time for others. And while serving to others, there is one danger is there. That danger is ego. If I help 1 or 2%, I feel elevated, saying that, oh, if I would not have helped him, he will never had that opportunity. Then my helping is counteracted by my ego. So there will be no benefit. If you help out of joy, without expecting anything from him, even recognition from him, if you have helped somebody, if he is not asking you any, he is not giving any respect, does not matter. Because you have not helped him expecting something from him, physically or psychologically. Then only your consciousness will be widened. Then the higher forces will help you. Then you will know for what you have come. Then there is another adventure after knowing how to become what you want to become. That is a greater adventure. Because there will be so many oppositions from within, from ourselves, from family, from society, from whole world. You will face all oppositions, and those oppositions are helpful for you because that will strengthen you. If you accept those challenges as positive things to fight against these things, this will make you stronger. So don't think that situation is responsible for my fall. Situation is never responsible. How we are facing with the situation, that is responsible. In this way, you should prepare your life. Then only you will reach your goal. Have you understood? Or anything more to know?
As we all know that hard work is the key to success, but still in some cases I saw that it is not appropriate. some people are there who tries their level best to do something good, but still in their life, one after one, difficulties start coming, and they try to level best, do their level best, and they work hard. Still, they work hard. They try to face all the situations, but still that luck is there. Some and people, there is some words that luck do not care, but your hard work cares. But there is luck, I saw. Because even I will give the example of great freedom fighters, they also did great hard work for our freedom, and we're still here for them only because of them. But they did not lead a life to see the freedom of India. So why that is luck?
Very good question. First of all, if you have gone through our scriptures, then you will know what you call life is only an episode of the life, not life. A infinite life, you are only in the one episode. Before this episode, there are infinite episodes. After this episode, there will be infinite episodes. You must be seeing the serials. Will everything will happen in the one episode? We are expecting that everything should happen in one episode. That is the ignorance. Whatever you do, if you don't get in this episode, this is carried forward to the next episode. So you must have the vision to see everything. You are restricted your consciousness to one episode as one life. That is why we feel that there is injustice. There is no injustice. No sincere effort goes in vain. Whatever you have made sincerely, that will be with you, either in this birth or carried forward to the next birth. Because we are unable to see our previous birth and after birth, that is why we are blaming. We are blaming that we have tried a lot, but what we are getting? Do you think everything will happen in the one episode? How the serial will be? Serial will be very boredom. So, we must have the knowledge of the deeper things. Without going to the deeper, if things are happening, we will not understand anything. If you are seeing a serial, I come in between and see one episode. And you are laughing and you are crying, but I ask, why you are crying? What is happening? What you will say? You have not seen the past episodes. You will not understand. We know what happened. That is why you are laughing or crying, whatever it is. You have not seen, you have entered into this episode. How you will understand? Similarly, we are seeing whole life into one episode. We don't understand anything. So try to go into the deep. See the total life. Then you will see no effort is going in vain. Everything has its repercussion, it will come to you back, whether good or bad. Understood? Or anything to know? And second thing, you said that we are making effort. Some people are not making effort, they are getting the result. And we are making effort, but we are not getting the result. Suppose you have a big project, very big project, and I have got a small project. Who will get the result immediately? I will. But after completion of your project, who will get the more result? So are you interested for small result or big result? So if you have no patience, you are not fit for getting the big results. So always know that those who are striving hard but not getting result means they are meant for big projects. That means he has more grace, more personalities. So you must have the patience for that. Please.
Sir, I want to know that how we can keep our mind calm in very difficult situations.
Yes, yes. Our mind is diverted to many things. And mind cannot know. Always preoccupied with the problems, it has no solution. Solution is within. But we don't give it the time. So, first thing is, whenever there is a problem, don't get disturbed. This is the first principle. Try to remain calm. Go into the deep of the problem. Where there is a problem, there is a solution. These both go together. Always you know. Where there is a problem, there is a solution. We never take pain to discover the solution within the pain, within the problem. Those who are trying, they are getting. So, make your effort. Don't get disturbed. Have faith in the divine. Definitely you will find it. And that will take you out. Please come.
Sir, I will ask you that what qualities, according to you, a man should have to be successful in life or to achieve a higher post or position?
Very important quality is not to satisfy with what you are. Yes. Not to be satisfied with what you are. You may be the best student of the class, but you must say, I am a blank page. Then only new things are ready to come to you. If you don't, then from that period you are stopped. You are going back. That is why you must have been observed. That those who are getting best 10th in matriculation or 10th class are no more seen in the higher class. Are you seeing those who are topmost people in the lower 10th class? In graduation, you don't find them where they are. Those who are in the graduate, shining with so much good quality, marks and everything, brilliant. Don't find them in PhD class. What happens? If they are the best students, why the things are happening like this? Because they are proud of their achievement. Because they think that they know. They don't want to struggle hard. They want to the news reporter saying that I am this, I am that, my qualities are like this. They are gone. If you get best 10, you are no more sitting here. News media people will come to you and you will talk about yourself. That is the period of collapsing. When you say, whatever I know, in front of what is to be known is nothing. What is to be known is infinite. There is no end to it. If you don't have this quality, then other qualities will never help you. If you have this quality, then if you strive hard, you must have the courage, you must have the humility, you must have the sense of loving everybody, because those who do good performance in the class, they want to separate themselves from other students. They say, oh, you are not fit for me. I am separate. Making you separate, you are reducing yourself. So, one thing is, you do good, have good performance. At the same time, increase your love towards everybody. These two things must go together. But never see those who are having good performance, they always elude themselves, thinking that if I will share, they will also become first. You ask anybody who is doing good performance, if you ask him that what is the solution of this problem, they will never tell. So they are not human beings, they are animals, because they are not helping others. So these qualities they must have.